Alright, today I have this nice styroplane. It's very lovely and it flies excellent. So let's check it out, guys. Alright, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fly it now. What you need to do is just push it like this along the way. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay. Nice. Alright. Let's check it out from the other side. No, puszczaj.
Do siebie. Super. Wow!
Okay, now we can change the rudders so it doesn't make loops anymore, but it flies far. Okay.
Dobra.
Pokaż? So I'm gonna hold it like this. This is the best place to hold it, just in front of the wings, underneath, and then you push it downwards and it will fly far. Nice. Okay, a lot of fun.